Hi everyone. I was just looking at.
He didn't say welcome to DiscoveringNatural and Ella is like laughing. Oh yeah, you ready? Okay. Wait, let's do it again.
3, 2, 1, go. Hi everyone, welcome to DiscoveringNatural. I was just looking around and I found this Toppik Hair Building Fiber. Just feel I need to try it on and see what happens.
And this is normal hairline goes like this, goes like that, and it's like that. So
this is the before.
This is the before. This is how his hair looks like before. Okay, look down.
Gray. Is that gray hair?
Look down.
Is that gray?
You have gray hair now. Why won't you have gray hair? So keep it still. Stay still. Okay, so that's before. Okay, so now we're gonna do it. You are getting old. So let's do this. So this is the way they do it in the commercials. They'll go like that. So they just rub it. Should not put. I don't know. So I don't know how they. Oh my gosh, this is how they do it. So let's see. And then this area.
All the gray.
All the gray. So they just kind of pat it in. So it's supposed to build hair. So let's see what happens.
Is it a one-time use?
I don't know. No, it's not a one-time use.
Wow.
It's covering it. It's working. It seems as if it's working. So we're just gonna dust it. So there's hair fibers on it. So I don't know.
So what do you?
So it's like a powder. You guys see? So it's like a powder. Yalla. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put some more on this side.
That's the whole container.
That's the whole container. Oh my goodness. This, let me see your finger. Is it getting on your finger?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting on your finger.
Read the direction.
There's no direction. Is there a direction on it? What does it say we should do?
There's no direction.
There's no direction.
No.
But look, you have hair.
The hairline though, it looks weird.
Oh, the hair.
Yeah, why is that hairline? Look at
No,
that
it
hair.
doesn't. It's not symmetric. Yeah.
Maybe we need to put a board or something.
No, the hairline needs to be.
And then put.
Yeah.
You do it. You do it for him. You do it for
It
him.
looks like the McDonald's logo.
Yeah.
It looks like McDonald's logo.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You give him new hairline. You give your daddy a new hairline. Oh my goodness. What did you do to your daddy? You're calling your sister. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it's such a mess all over your clothes. I'm sorry, baby. The kids are having so much fun on your hair. Oh. And here comes that one.
What happened? Because mommy messed it up.
No, I didn't mess it up.
See,
We're throwing his hair. So now we got. Stop. You try doing better for me.
It just looks like powder on his head.
It's fake hair. It's right here.
That ain't a hairline. He looks. That don't.
Tolani, you think you can do better? Tolani is the one that draws, so I think she could do better.
Oh, don't blow on it. Cause
Okay, wait. Whenever you're done.
yeah, here. Can you help me fix it?
Tolani, fix it.
I got hair on my.
Yeah, you're gonna get your wool.
And then.
Nope. Okay.
Okay.
No,
But then like clean it up a bit, you know. Make sure it's like smooth. Like.
Soak it in water.
This looks so
Interesting.
No, that's not gonna work. Okay, wait, what if you do?
Where look at this.
What of it like that?
Look at my eyebrows. Is this not the time?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, my husband looks different. You guys are giving a new hairline.
He looks.
Oh, you look interesting. Wow, daddy gets a makeover.
Wait. Now you gotta edge it up here. But the back looks so weird because it's a whole different color.
That don't look right.
Oh,
No,
you
it doesn't
look
even
good.
look that bad.
It doesn't look bad at all. Wow. Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror.
Look, okay.
Smile at
do
the
you like
mirror.
it?
That don't
Look at the mirror.
right.
Look at the mirror. Smile.
That is not.
Smile.
He's smiling.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
That is not good.
Oh, it does look different. It gave, oh my gosh.
That does not
Wow,
look
the
good.
transformation.
It doesn't look
What about the bald spots?
Yeah, we got. What are you doing? Stop erasing it.
I'm not erasing it. I'm trying to fix it.
No.
This
Just-
don't look right.
It looks perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Tony, do you know how it feels to be balding?
Oh.
No, you don't. So you have no say. Anyways, why is there so much in this little bottle?
Yeah, the bottle has a lot. So you guys see, I've used this before on my
Can I use it
edges.
for my edges?
No, don't use it because you have to wash it. But there's still a lot in that small bottle. You guys, have you finished fixing up your daddy? Are you done?
Hairline.
Are you done with the hairline?
The hairline looks ugly.
Oh, does this hurt?
Tolani, then clean it up for
I don't
him.
know how to fix a hairline. I'm not a barber.
You're not a barber. Oh, okay. Give daddy a hug. Both of you, yeah, give daddy a
It's
hug.
gonna be only by you.
Okay, give your daddy a hug, your new daddy. And you guys are not giving your new daddy. You don't like your new daddy. They're trying to fix this. Okay. Wow.
It still looks weird.
Yeah, you get used to the look.
You look so much younger.
I'm 16 again.
Oh, yay.
No more gray hair.
No more gray hair.
It's just the hairline that needs to be fixed.
Wow.
Does this actually grow your hair or?
No, it's just. Wow,
sure?
this is really
Oh,
cool.
what?
Quite
Put this on
interesting.
and go somewhere.
You better not sweat. Because you go somewhere and you sweat, well, Ashiri has come out. Oh my gosh, this transformation.
Okay, well, that's the best I can get.
It doesn't even
Look at it doesn't look bad. Oh, did you clean this up? Eniola, you need to clean this. You need to clean
The only
that up.
reason she doesn't like it is because she doesn't like the change.
Yeah, she doesn't like the new daddy. Tolani, you got a new daddy. Papi. Okay. Ooh. See, they even faded. The girls did a good job. I think they did a good job. Do you like it? It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that
I
bad.
just need to clean up the hairline because that's kind of crooked.
Yeah. And this stuff, there's still some. Can you believe? What's the size? How much is in this? What's the size?
Oh, I can't see. I need my.
Okay. Eniola, what's the size? How much is in it? What's the net?
11 ounces.
No, 0. It's not 11 ounces. Is it
0.11.
0.11 ounces.
But what does?
And
it
there's
do?
still more.
Yeah, what does it do?
It's hair fiber. It covers up bald spot. And it
Yeah,
creates,
but you can't
keep
go-
still. See, it creates fake hair. Keep still. See?
I don't
fake
think she
hair.
likes it.
The transformation. This is the after effect. Afterwards. Hey.
Yeah, but if you go somewhere,
Uh-huh.
it's just gonna be. It better not be windy.
But it's fun. It's fun. You just don't touch it. I wonder if there's something you can spray on it. Maybe there's something you can go to that you spray on it and it sticks like glue. Or maybe you have to put glue on top of it first.
Glue.
But it does look, you look different, right?
If you go somewhere where it's windy and the wind starts blowing,
That's the end of that.
black stuff blowing everywhere.
Okay. So that's the transformation.
I look different.
You like it? Your girls did a good job, did better than me.
I like it.
You like it? Okay.
At least the gray hair is gone. Do you see how gray?
You don't have gray anymore.
Okay, well, thank you everybody for watching and spending your time seeing my little transformation.
You look so much younger.
Well, make sure you subscribe,
Like. Look at him counting.
and
Comment.
comment.
What do you want them to do? Give you a thumbs up. Thumbs up.
No,
Oh,
thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Oh, you look so different.
Well, I can't go out in the windy area.
Okay.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Thanks for watching.